video will provide an introduction to the School Coordinator dashboard in the assessment platform. We will cover identifying the key elements of the dashboard and the most commonly used links, and understanding the left-hand navigation toolbar. Once you log in as a School Coordinator, you will be taken to the School Coordinator dashboard. There are 3 key sections to the dashboard. The user account information showing your user role. By clicking here, you will be taken to a screen where you can update your account details. A link to the user account information can also be found at the bottom of the page on the left by clicking on the profile icon. Here, you can also read your notifications and log out. On the left-hand side is the navigation toolbar. The dashboard has sections showing the quick links to common actions needed for preparing for testing, sitting the tests, and reviewing the results. Let's look at the navigation toolbar in detail. The Home button will take you back to the dashboard from wherever you are in the platform. The Staff button gives you access to manage the account information for any of the staff roles in the platform. The Students button gives you access to manage students, including importing and editing student data, allocating test licenses to students, and printing student logins. The Tests button gives you access to view and supervise a live test sitting. The Results button gives you access to information about results release timing for each type of assessment and provides a quick link to the Results and Reports portal. The Support button gives you access to links to support resources. The Go To page allows you to quickly open any page in the platform. The links in the navigation toolbar that are frequently used also appear on the dashboard and have been grouped according to the stages of the test. The first tile has the links relating to preparing for testing. Select Invite New Staff to add colleagues into the platform. Assign teachers to classes is not required for ICAS assessments, as class is not a mandatory field when importing students into the platform. Select Import Students to add the details of the students who will be sitting the tests. Select Allocate Test Licenses to allocate the relevant test licenses to each student. Select Print Student Logins to print the one-time codes that students need to log into their tests. A link to the technical requirements is provided to assist the School Coordinator in checking that all of the student devices meet the required technical specifications and have passed the Technical Readiness Test. The Quick Reference Guides provides an overall checklist of the key steps needed to successfully deliver ICAS assessments. The second tile covers sitting the test and viewing results for each type of test in the platform. Select the relevant tab. Select Supervise Live Test to monitor students taking a test in real time. Each subject has its own test supervision instructions. These can be accessed from the Test Supervision Instructions link. The School Coordinator should ensure that all supervising teachers receive the relevant instructions. The FAQ FAQs lists commonly asked questions relating to test day supervision. After the test sitting period has closed for a subject, the results are processed. Results can be viewed by selecting the Results and Reports portal link. Schools are notified when the results are available. This concludes the introduction to the School Coordinator dashboard. For more information, please see page 11 in the ICAS User Guide for Online Testing.